Thank you.
The Khadc yesterday has decided to closely follow up with the state government to urge upon a centre to bring an amendment to the Constitution, Scheduled Tribes Order 1950 by recognizing only the indigenous tribes as the scheduled tribes in Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters after meeting the Governor, C.H. Vijay Shankar at Raj Bhavan, Khadc CEM Panyait Singh Siam said that they have recently received complaints that there are a large number of people from outside the state who has managed to purchase land in Pelangkata area.
Dangi persyang bantokit dangi persyang bankeli lanaki snam lanaki bun snam mensyua kila yo ini jaka but don ruki kituki area laniki jaka hang tu po kaput bat ka Assam bat Meghalaya ha themrai marwet ka ba mi kop shu kum ka rikhasi namar kila mi ki building ki bahe bahe kintai ki bahe bahe ki ba nimpoi pakhat ba kandang de ke ni reda ngila tokit ba report Assam kadang deh hipo Meghalaya hatem right marwet.
Shillong MP